Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Nationwide card reader. First, take your Nationwide debit or credit card and your card reader. Insert your card into the reader with the chip going in first and facing up. The reader should turn on automatically. If it does not, press the power button to turn it on. Once the screen lights up, you will be asked to select a function. Use the up and down arrow buttons on the reader to scroll through the options. Choose the option shown on your online banking screen, such as Sign On or Payment. When the correct option is highlighted, press the OK button. Next, the reader will ask you to enter your card PIN. Carefully type in your PIN using the keypad. Make sure no one else can see the numbers. When you are done, press OK. After this, your online banking screen will show a unique number. This is called a pass number. Type this number into the card reader exactly as shown, then press OK. The card reader will now process the information and display a confirmation code or message. Go back to the Nationwide website or app and enter this code where prompted. Once accepted, your action will be completed. Thanks for watching.